What's up, buds? I bet you thought Sloss Drone Derby was over. Well, it's not. There's still more contests and there's more prizes. Check out this sponsor pack from HOTA. HOTA hooked us up with charger after charger after charger, some hats, dope t-shirt, all the stickers. Thank you so much, HOTA. And we're going to be giving these away very, very soon. You're going to have to stay tuned to find out how we're doing the giveaway. It's going to take a little bit of editing skills. We want to see your best edits from Sloss Drone Derby to help show off the event. But let's take a quick look at these chargers and show you just what HOTA sent us, because these are awesome. I specifically requested these items, and HOTA is always listening, so they sent me exactly what I asked for. First up is the HOTA T6. This is a pocket charger that's super smart and super simple. You can charge it off of either an XT60 lead or USB-C power delivery. So my favorite is to use power delivery. If you got one of these little smart batteries like I do with power delivery on it, you can plug that guy right in and be juiced up and ready to start charging. I love this. This is one lane, super simple. It's got all the HOTA stuff that you're used to. It'll balance, it'll store, it'll do power delivery mode. So this is also a portable power supply. Coming off of a 5-volt battery bank, I can now have 25, 12 volts, 5 volts, 6.2 volts, whatever you need, delivered right off of this little guy in your pocket. Even comes with the injection molded XT60 to XT30 adapters. I love these because they're not the crappy welded ones you buy off of Amazon. I actually gobbled these up when I saw them and was like, holy crap, please send me hundreds of these things. I have to have these now. I use them all the time on my 4-way chargers. I run the F6 over there. That's my favorite. But I saw these and grabbed a pile of them. But power this off of USB-C, off of the wall, off of your battery brick, or it'll run off of XT60 lead. So this is the Stay High pack. This is my prototype battery that's over 4 years old now. If I can do this one-handed, let's see, I got to flip it that way and plug it in. And we got juice, and this thing's ready to charge again. I love it. Absolutely love it. This thing will do 15 amps if you've got a big supply like this on it. If you're using power delivery like this, USB, it's going to depend on the power delivery rating. I think this one is power delivery 120. It'll take a lot. I love it. Great little charger, and we're giving this one away. Next up is my favorite. This is the F6. This is 4-way DC only, 15 amps per lane. I've been running this same charger for years and years and years and years and years, and carry it in my backpack every day. Again, I recommend it with the Stay High pack. So you've got this big battery to go with it, and these both will just go in your backpack. 4 lanes though, and then they have done a bunch of awesome stuff for me on this charger specifically. HOTA, super cool, super willing to work with us. They have listened to my requests and added a bunch of new features. One of them is continuous charging mode. You can go in and set continuous charging mode up. Look, they've even got one button start on here now. Continuous charging mode means that when you finish plugging the battery in and it finishes charging, you unplug that battery, you stick the next one in, and it will just automatically pick back up with the same settings as the last battery. I freaking love it. One button is another feature I requested. They added these 2 features for me. One button start means that once you've set your settings, say you're charging 6S flight pack at 1.3 amps, you set 6S 1.3 balancing, you hit it one time, you plug in all 4 batteries, and then you just hit go, one button, and it literally just fires up the whole cycle and all the lanes start charging at once. It'll check this one and say, is this 6S? Yes. Is this? And it'll just fire them all up. All the batteries charge with one click of a button. I freaking love it. The fact that they listen and they do things that we ask for, just top notch. Thank you so much, HOTA. We're going to give away this one with an AC adapter. This is the new T330 power supply. I haven't even seen this one yet. It's just come out. They're now using GAN silicone power supplies in these. It's supposed to be a lot more reliable, and that is great to see. This one's just an XT60 out, and so it comes with this cable, and you're able to just daisy chain in from the power supply into the back of the F6 or any of these other chargers into the back of the T6, and you'll have power right there, right out of the back of the box. Fantastic. These two are going together for one lucky winner. HOTA F6, again, my favorite charger in the whole world. They are awesome. If you don't win the contest, you can get them at my site. They're so freaking good. Cheap, lightweight, durable, effective, just years and years and years of charging. And then there's this guy. This is the HOTA F6 Ultra. They basically took these, combined them into one, but they added an even bigger power supply. This one is 500 watts of AC power supply. Again, it's the GAN silicone charging technology inside, so the power supplies are supposed to be better. Then on the top, you got the same thing. You got your 4-way F6 that's going to give you 4 lanes, up to 15 amps each. Continuous charging mode, 1-button charging, all that. On the back side here, you've got your inputs that'll take in either 120 AC or an XT90 plug. I've got XT60 to 90 adapters too, so if you want to run your stay high pack in the field into one of these, you're good to go and you can get all the juice. These are some really, really, really nice chargers from HOTA. Thank you so much for sponsoring Sloss Drone Derby. Really, really appreciate it. I can't wait to see everybody at the next event. Hopefully you all made it to Sloss. And even if you didn't make it to Sloss, this contest is going to be open for you. This contest is going to be for all creators. We want anybody who knows how to edit video to help make promotional videos for Sloss. The details on that contest are coming really, really soon. So start thinking about what you want to do and what you want to make. There is a share at slossdronederby.org/photo. It's our Google Drive, and you can get all kinds of content there from other attendees, photographers, videographers, myself, from the media day that we did before Sloss. All sorts of content up there already that you can work with. If you want to start cutting and pouring through the footage, then you can get a head start on this contest. Details are coming really, really soon, but it is going to be a photo or video editing contest for Sloss Drone Derby promotional materials, and you can go ahead and get started now. Win dope chargers from HOTA, the HOTA T6, the F6 4-way charger, the T330 to go with it, or the F6 Ultra. We got hats and t-shirts to throw in there with it. Can't wait to see who wins. Go put your content up at slossdronederby.org/photo. If you went to the event and you caught photos of peeps, you got videos, clips, funny stuff, good rips, all of it. Start uploading now, slossdronederby.org/photo. Just go ahead and dump your footage there for us, and we can start working through and editing it. We really want to see all the editors come out of the woodwork, see those jump cuts and fancy clips, shots, all of it. Really, really soon we'll be announcing the deets. For now, check us out, slossdronederby.org, and fill out the survey. Surveys are going on right now too, and we're giving away 5 gift cards. That's gift cards for Progressive RC and flyhighfpv.com. And all you got to do there is fill out the survey and tell us how we did this year. Tell us what we can do better next year, and tell us a little bit about the gear you're flying too. We're trying to give them information back to manufacturers who are listening. Awesome manufacturers like HOTA who want to listen to what pilots say and improve things. So tell us, give us feedback, and we'll see you soon.